Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Few iPhone users are reporting that when they upgraded iPhone to new version of iOS, they faced alarm sound issues like alarm clock not ringing on iPhone and alarm low sound issue. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. Solution 1. Check the silent button on the side of your iPhone. Make sure silent mode is off. Solution 2. Go to settings. In settings page, tap on Face ID and passcode. Enter passcode. Scroll down. Now turn off attention aware features. Solution 3. Open settings. In settings page, tap on sounds and haptics. Under ringtone and alerts, if the volume is low, make sure that the volume balance light is set to maximum. Turn off change with buttons. Solution 4. Open settings app. In settings page, tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned off. Sometimes the sound play through Bluetooth devices like headphones, AirPods or earbuds instead of iPhone speaker. Solution 5. Go to settings. In settings page, tap on general. Scroll down. Tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings. Enter your iPhone passcode. Again tap on reset all settings to confirm this process. This process won't delete your personal data like your photos, videos, mails and messages. It just reset the default settings on your iPhone. Now check. I hope after watching this video, your problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.